Hello and welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today we're presenting to you a 1984 Chevy El Camino SS. It's got the Choo Choo Package. I do have the hood popped, so it's a little easier for me to maneuver to show you the engine. But this is a really sharp looking car. It has been restored and it's a black exterior is black over a dark red interior. This is a small block V8 and this thing sounds really good. So I'm just going to kind of show you the inside, the outside, let you hear it run. We've got the interior, the two-tone red with the cloth and the vinyl in really good shape. Got the console and matching rear seats, factory dash with all correct gauges, and all of this stuff does work. It's been customized a little bit here and there, but this car overall is in great condition. Got some good, nice wheels on there. I'm gonna go ahead and get it started for you so you can hear it roar. That just feels good to start. Like I said, it is a V8 engine. It's got the side pipes. Doesn't need much explanation when it sounds like that, right? Just a really good looking car. Not only does it look good, it sounds good. I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a ride for you. Stay tuned. Okay, here inside the 84 El Camino. Gonna go ahead and take it for a ride for you. Car definitely gets some looks because it sounds like a beast going down the road. Take this little hump here. Super quiet. It's a very smooth drive. Taking the corner here for you. Brake check. Great brakes, ABS. Just overall really awesome car, inside and out and underneath, which I'll show you in just a second.